Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on POCO X5 Pro. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, find Google Classroom. And install it. When it's ready, click on the Open. Then get started, select the account for your classroom and click on OK. Then press on the plus button, join a class, enter the class code in the pool right here, and then the join button should be visible and you can tap on it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.